simple sweet potato root to become two valuable industrial products. Inside modern factories, harvested sweet potatoes are cleaned, sliced, dried, and milled with precise control. Rich in natural starch and fiber, they transform into dried sweet potato powder for food applications and nutritious animal feed that supports sustainable farming. So how does a humble root from the field gain new value inside an industrial process? If you'd like to follow this journey with us, gently tap like and subscribe to explore more factory transformations. Factory Receiving and Incoming QC exists to verify raw quality and safety. In this stage, fresh sweet potatoes are transformed into approved raw material for dried sweet potato powder and animal feed. Using weighing scales, visual inspection lines, and moisture testing systems, the factory inspects, samples, and grades each batch. This step ensures consistency, food safety, and traceability. By operating continuously, the factory achieves stable throughput and large-scale processing. The processed product is now ready for the next stage, cleaning and preparation. multi-layer drying exists to remove moisture evenly and safely. In this stage, prepared sweet potato slices and pulp are transformed into stable dried material for sweet potato powder and animal feed. Using multi-layer conveyor dryers with controlled heat and airflow, the factory dries continuously. This step ensures uniform moisture, microbial safety, and long shelf life. The processed product is now ready for the next stage, grinding and sieving. Packaging exists to protect products and prepare them for distribution. In this stage, dried sweet potato powder and dried feed-grade material are transformed into sealed retail and bulk packs. Using automatic weighing, filling, sealing, and labeling systems, the factory packs with high precision. This step ensures hygiene, moisture protection, and traceability. By automated operation, the factory achieves high speed and consistent output. The product is now ready for the next stage, storage and distribution. byproduct drying, vines/leaves/peels, exists to recover value from side streams. In this stage, sweet potato vines, leaves, and peels are transformed into stable, dried material for animal feed. Using belt dryers with controlled temperature and airflow, the factory dries gently. This step ensures safe moisture levels and nutrient preservation. The processed product is now ready for the next stage, grinding and feed blending.
And the bridge collapses cleanly. A bin activator vibrates, breaking wall stiction. The blend reads uniform in color and granulation, flowing as a continuous, stable, dry river with no breaks, no clumps, and no segregation. A pneumatic micro-adjust cylinder extends a few millimeters, nudging the blade into the exact clearance. Then a stopper locks it rigid.
Cooling to fine, screening to oil coating, exists to stabilize and enhance feed quality. In this stage, hot dried feed material is transformed into uniform, coated, feed-ready product. Using cooling conveyors, vibrating screens, and oil spraying systems, the factory cools, removes fines, and applies oil evenly. This step ensures thermal stability, consistent particle size, and improved palatability. The processed product is now ready for the next stage, final packaging or storage.